Bev is a female-founded, female-led company that makes premium canned wine. And working with Bev on the email marketing side of things, we're sending a lot of brand building messages and just funny, share-worthy campaigns that get their subscribers replying, clicking, forwarding it to their friends. So for example, once a month, we send this email called Caturday. We're basically just giving the brand a personality and really showing intent on brand building and subscriber engagement, not just trying to sell product in every single email. We also sent an epic plain text email from the founder where our sign-off was drunk text from my iPhone. So we're just being fun with the fact that we've all received as well as sent drunk text. So just having fun with it. This plain text email was for a new product launch. Ended up getting 175% greater click-through rate than the average of all of our Q4 campaigns combined. So last quarter, 40% of Bev's total revenue has come from the email work we've done with them. And we're up 80% quarter over quarter just by implementing more of these fun, allows them to share and refer other members, buy from them time and time again.